The modification of this is again ITR rule, right?
I'm MOT. Actually, sir, I thought this is the MOT earlier one. In this MPS, IPS is very minor. This FS2, if you can move to, I thought that is the MOT room. C9 was in MOT. FS2 move it to MOT.
Here.
Yeah, and then in C9 you can keep as it is actually.
As it is allowed, right? We can allow.
Allowed, yeah.
So
In
then
C10, yes.
I have to change here FS2.
Yeah, instead of MPS, IPS, mention MOT. Yeah, yes. New ITL zone. Yes.
Fantastic. 2 FES, fantastic, very good. So this is the same category. This will have this is inside, so no concern. The same, and the restriction will remain same for HCCS. This will be R44 interface, no concern. For electrical, we have identified 4 activities: cable pulling and laying, earthing and bonding installation, and earthing system testing, cabin. So I'm putting the same R1 because this can create source of ignition, and normal operation and hot water permit can be done, and with the permit to work system, no concern at all. For emergency, you have to be prohibiting the activity, and you have to suspend the activity and go to the muster point for mustering and debriefing. And since this all activity will be at indoor and outdoor also, so we'll keep the R2 because weather restriction is implemented as per the company procedure and UAE law. And night work we are keeping P because night work is not allowed. If in case night work you are anticipating, you have to take a permission from the company to have additional safeguard for night work, including buddy system. HSCS, I am going to put the same R3. The reason is you are going to have some downgrading situation if your HSCC is not working. Interface will remain same. It has to have interface management plan, and you have to identify all interfaces in advance so that it cannot impact the HSC of either party, and it will not impact the schedule of either party. PSSR, yes, the integration, energization, HSC, SC, IC, SS, and software. For software, and this is the soft code. I don't think this is the right CMOS. I will remove it. Yeah. So integration, this is physical job, this is R1, this is R1, ICS modification, software upgradation. This is the also
you want to make the software upgrade at the same time that you are making startup or shutdown?
Sudeep?
Yeah, come again, sir. What?
Okay, software modification in existing SCADA system. At the same time that you are doing startup or shutdown? I don't think so, guys. This is critical activity. All the modifications shall be done.
No. This actually we engaged OEM, but OEM report is not yet